Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. I've done several videos on a new product that I got about 6 months ago from TRUFLAT Plywood. It's not actually plywood, it's a HDF, which is higher density. It stands for, well, MDF is medium density and HDF is high density fiberboard. I've had it for about 6 months in my shop. I've had a piece just laying in my laser and it's still flat. It doesn't warp. And I was making some crosses today for somebody that passed away, and I've always done out of plywood. And I thought, I wonder what this would look like. This is their product called linen. And look at the detail and I mean, this is all I'm ever going to use anymore. If one, is faster. I have to cut this out, engrave the names, cut it out, sand it on both sides, put it back in the laser, and then run this at like $400 per inch and 70 power, and I don't have to sand it. All I had to do was cut this out, engrave the names, take it out, wipe it off with a damp rag. I use alcohol, put it back in there and run the face. This is all I'm ever going to use anymore. And then I have to spray a coat of lacquer or two on the front and the back. This already has lacquer on it, and that's why it wipes off so clean. So I mean, look at them side by side. I mean, the contrast, you can just see so much more. I'm going to leave this website at the bottom of the video, also with my email, and I've tried to give these away, and quite a few people have taken them. Over the years, I've drawn these. This is still the favorite, and I really wanted to cut that out of the new product too. But on this one, you run it twice, and then you run the face at $400 per inch. I'll leave my email at the bottom of the video. I mean, here's one where when both the husband and the wife die, and you can do it forever or together again. Here's the Last Supper, a couple of different ways. I've only ever cut these out, never really given them out. They're pretty neat, but if the person is in the military, I've got the Marines, the Air Force, just a flag. There's the Navy and the Army. And I was fixing to say they're a big seller. I don't sell them. I give them away at every time I go to a funeral or visitation, and they're greatly appreciated. And I mean, if you wanted to sell them, you could probably hook up with a funeral home and sell them, pre-sale. But anyway, look over their website. I mean, they've got they've got wood and it's walnut, cherry, oak, white, black, linen, and plywood. My favorite is still the linen. I mean, I've been doing woodworking since junior high. I'm 72 years old. And I thought this was a veneer. It's actually a painted process. I think it's 7 layers of paint and then a layer or 2 of lacquer so it'll wipe off. I mean, I've been truly impressed with this product. I mean, even the back, if your laser's dirty and you have the backsplash, it just wipes off. It's pretty incredible. Anyway, give them a try, or at least look over their website and email me for the crosses, and I'll surely send them to you for free. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.